experience JS Prom without our parents. To all CAT members, thank you for teaching us good discipline and right conduct that we need in order to be a good citizen inside and outside the campus. To all band members, thank you for your guiding us in living in harmony and imparting us your talent in music. Your talent in music teaches us that it is not about the good tones or bad tones. It is about giving your soul along with music. Life is full of stepping stones. In every step that you are taking, there are lessons that we learn that mold us to be who we are today. Aside from trials and hardships, I think the most wonderful teachers that teach us not only from the book, but from the art. To all teachers of the faculty, especially in Mount Raya, all of you have special place in our hearts. The influence of a good teacher can never erase. You taught us not only to write formulas and solving mathematical problems, but most important of that experiences, we learned to solve and ask ourselves and follow our hearts without harming others. To Ma'am Gaston, the president of SLSU, we thank you for monitoring we thank God for everything and giving us guidance for our everyday life. As we step in another year as seniors, we promise to be a good example, just like our aunts and kuyas. We will guide upcoming freshmen, sophomores, and juniors. We will be the one of the good foundation in making LHS one of the competitive schools. We will not underestimate our years, but instead we will respect them. Thank you, Ates and Kuyas. To all, thank you for being a part of our lives. Now, we are ready to be the next senior student of LHS. Rest assured that we will take charge the responsibilities that you will give to us. It's not trying to fix something broken. Maybe it's not starting over and creating something better. You'll be the change you want to see in the world. Once again, a heartfelt and pleasant evening to all of us.
Ah.